Hello everyone, welcome back to Speak Smart English, where we make learn English fun and easy. Today, we're diving into the world of tenses and we will explore the past, present, and future tenses, helping you understand how to talk about what happened yesterday, what's happening today, and what will happen tomorrow, whether you're a beginner or just need a refresh. This video is perfect for you, so let's get started and master these sentences together. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell button for more existing lessons.
Past,
I ate breakfast.
present,
I eat breakfast.
future,
I will eat breakfast. I read a book. I read a book. I will read a book.
I watch TV. I watch TV. I will watch TV. I called my friend. I call my friend. I will call my friend.
I wrote a letter. I write a letter. I will write a letter.
I cleaned my room. I clean my room. I will clean my room. I cooked dinner. I cooked dinner. I will cook dinner.
I played a game. I play a game. I will play a game.
I visited my grandma. I visit my grandma. I will visit my grandma. I drank water. I drink water. I will drink water. I wrote a letter. I write a letter. I will write a letter. I did my homework. I do my homework. I will do my homework. I took a walk. I take a walk. I will take a walk. I bought groceries. I buy groceries. I will buy groceries. I listen to music. I listen to music. I will listen to music. I painted a picture. I paint a picture. I will paint a picture. I fed the cat. I feed the cat. I will feed the cat. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I will wash the dishes. I water the plants. I water the plants. I will water the plants. I made a sandwich. I make a sandwich. I will make a sandwich. I rode my bike. I ride my bike. I will ride my bike. I brushed my teeth. I brush my teeth. I will brush my teeth. I took a shower. I take a shower. I will take a shower. I went to bed. I go to bed. I will go to bed. I sent an email. I send an email. I will send an email. I drew a picture. I draw a picture. I will draw a picture. I baked a cake. I bake a cake. I will bake a cake. I fixed the car. I fix the car. I will fix the car. I read the news. I read the news. I will read the news. I planted a tree. I plant a tree. I will plant a tree. I learned English. I learn English. I will learn English. Well done, everyone. You have just taken a big step in mastering English tenses. Remember, practice makes you perfect, so keep practicing and reviewing what you have learned today. If you are enjoying this lesson, please subscribe and like for more existing lessons. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.